Alrighty, so it's the July 28th, week before FD, and we got some really cool stuff happening. So this is gonna be a little bit of a FD video slash track day video slash maybe a little over the place, but mostly FD, stuff. There's something really cool happening with this thing, and I'm not gonna announce it. I'll let Carlton talk to you guys about that later. But I am headed over to J2 right now because we have a friend arriving early for FD. So you guys will see that friend here very shortly. We've helped him out before with my shop. We've torn apart his car a couple times with our buddies at Drift HQ. So yeah. Oh no, I guess it would be 3 years ago now. But anyways, you guys will see that person soon. Alrighty, the truck and trailer is almost here, but our guest driver arrived. Good buddy.
Hey Tori, how are you, man?
Hey buddy, how are you doing?
Getting better.
Yeah,
with my foot.
A little broken foot?
Yeah, I broke in 4 parts, but it's fine.
Yep. So Joao's up here. We're gonna do a quick little practice day. So practice day tomorrow, just a little quick session, do some video for some media stuff for your sponsors.
I have a sponsor that I need to do some videos.
Yeah, so a couple laps on the track and do some sponsor stuff. And we're parking him here at the airport at J2 and Jace's shop. So we got a spot for them to park for the next month, and we're just gonna help them out and see what we can do to get a win.
Yeah,
get on the podium.
we're here for that.
Yes, always, right?
Looking for my first podium.
There we go. There we go. There's the hauler. Marcel! What's up, brother? How are you? Good to see you. I know, it's been a while.
Yeah, we don't change much, we just get old.
Yeah, you got a bigger hauler now, though.
Oh yeah. You have a kid now, huh?
I do, man. Alrighty, just got back from helping Joao and Marcel get all set up. So yeah, as you heard, tomorrow we have a little practice day. So a little test day, and unfortunately Joao does not have any help. So Carlton and I will be there helping him during the whole rental. Hopefully we can get over there in the morning. He wants to get there early so he can kind of get the car out and organize some stuff in the trailer, and he's got some maintenance stuff and alignment changes to make on the car. So his plan is to get there pretty early and do that. And yeah, hopefully I got time to help him out do that and get them all going. Start to the FD week, I guess you can call it, and it's pretty cool. But hey, so I started a video today and I gave him a little hint. I said something's happening with this car correlated with FD. You want to fill him in on the news?
I don't know, should we just work on it and then they find out at the event, or should we just tell them?
I mean, considering we have like 67% of our viewers, I think it's more than that, are not subscribed, and our watch time isn't very well, I think maybe we just wait.
Yeah, we just wait. We'll anticipation. Something's happening.
Yeah.
We got surprise.
Yeah.
Clickbait?
Better wait till the end of the video.
Clickbait, all we're doing is just going FD.
Alrighty. Test day with Joao. He's in the hauler, and we're gonna head over to the track, get all set up. We're really early because we're gonna get them all set up and spend some time making sure the car is all ready to go and whatnot, and get them ready to roll. And then practice starts at 3 and goes till 7. So you guys are coming along with us. Be pretty sweet. Be able to put some GoPros on his car and stuff and check out what it's like to be up close and personal with the FD program. The only difference is he has no crew today because his whole crew's in Brazil. A lot of them are in Florida, and it just didn't work out to get his crew out here for this one quick test day. So me, Carlton, and Joao all day. We're gonna get it all handled and get him going for some practice, and hopefully help him out for this event. So all right, we made it. I take that back, it's not just me and Carlton. Jace made it too, so he's gonna help us out for a little while. But we're all here, gonna get her all set up and get some laps in, check out the car, do some stuff. So ready to roll, right?
Hey, Tori.
Yeah. Feeling good?
Yes.
It's a nice day.
Ready to race?
Yeah, let's just get it all unloaded and check it all out and get it rolling.
Yeah.
Everybody to know that I'm.
Yeah,
here
so
doing
it
all
makes
this.
it makes it look like you're the one that's working and I'm not helping at all when I did this side. Because I'm the only one that picks up the camera. All right, little caster change.
Sure.
We're new to the PBM world, but it's nice stuff.
We lost our one.
Okay, it's up to
So what's going on is the radiator is plumbed opposite, and so it's actually pushing the water through the bottom to the top. So we're going to switch it the other way so that the return is on the bottom. So Tori wanted me to pick the camera up and record him because he wants to make sure you guys know that he's actually doing something. What are you doing, dude?
Unbelievable.
You're sweating is what you're doing.
Oh, I'm sweating so bad.
You're technically working all the time because you're always sweating, right?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
No argument.
A little bit more here.
Getting the dash 20 lines made up to swap them over on the radiator. Think it'll work?
Look.
No shot.
There's a bag.
The biggest wrench isn't big enough for a dash 20.
Okay, we need the
Need the pliers.
big ones.
So getting those on, and yeah, I don't know if we've walked around the car, but it's got one of them weird Chevy things in it. This thing's pretty sweet. I was gonna go out and rip it and absolutely kill it on the 5/8, so we'll see how it goes. Look at that.
All right, got all the fittings on there. No leaks. Water pump's going right now. I'll give you that for once he's done. So he's gonna get in there and fire it up, get it warmed up.
Alright, now it's time for Joao to go out and shake the car down. He's gonna go do some figure eights, shake everything down, make sure it's all good before going to doing the 5/8. And we got the big man spotting. You ever spotted before, bro?
This ain't my first rodeo, dude. I got a championship under my belt.
Wait, in drifting or
Don't matter.
Oh,
In
okay.
racing.
racing?
turn.
Right, motorsports.
Bunch of left
Yeah.
turn guys.
Alright, Joao's gonna do the 3/8 now. He's gonna let her fucking sing, dude.
Let her eat. Give her the beans.
Hey, Tori's gonna try and make it back before he gets here. What do you think, dude?
Pretty rad.
Pretty wicked. Just rip it. Yeah. Sounds good.
Wait, waterproof or water resistant? What's the deal here?
I don't have an idea, but
His phone
they
was-
say that it's water or something.
His phone was overheating, so he just threw it in the ice chest.
At least you put the right side down.
Oh yeah, that's
Put
true.
the charger side down.
That's fair. All right. How long do you think it's gonna take?
I think that will be fine like for 10 minutes.
Oh, 10
Maybe
minutes?
not more than that.
Okay. It's got to be less than that. It's got to be
I think that maybe. Let's see if it's already working. No, it's still.
still too hot. No way. It says overheated. All right, so this is rad. We got to show it. So
It's like not exactly, just give you an
gives you a
idea
rough estimate.
If, yeah.
If you had a
something's
big
wrong.
difference, you know, one that was like 20 or 15, then you would know.
Yeah.
But basically what he did is he went into a program on his Fuel Tech, and it's just a compression test program. So it gives you a quick rough estimate of how close it is.
Yeah. After a few rounds, you will stop
Release it
and we will
and
show
check
the-
it. Yeah, that's awesome, man.
Yeah, so
That's
it's
really
like
cool.
not any kind of shoes here.
Yeah.
I was little worried because we are getting so hot every time.
Yeah.
Just make sure that we
Yeah.
are not losing compression.
Yep,
So-
yep. That is so
Yeah,
cool. Sign us up, Fuel Tech it is. I don't think there's any other company out there doing that.
Doing that?
No, not that
Never
I've
saw.
seen.
Never saw.
That is so cool. What do you think?
Pretty rad.
You could have used that a bunch of
Oh my
times.
Goodness, save so many hours.
I should clarify, this is the whole point of today wasn't a test session, but we're filming. So we're filming for a brake company. He got a new brake sponsor, so that's what we're filming for today. We got the master filmer here, Carlton. So Joel's got a new brake sponsor, and that's the whole reason of being here, like I said. So Carlton's doing some filming for him. Got some donuts around him. That was pretty cool. How'd that feel?
That's pretty sick. I got a little dizzy.
Scare you a little bit? That thing
I
is
know what he's
so
doing.
it's so loud.
Oh yeah, that was
Ear piercing, dude. So they're gonna do a little sponsorship talking, and that's about it.
all right. Well, doing some more sketchy filming, but this time I'm gonna stand behind one of the big tires and not in front of the car. That was pretty cool. That's pretty cool, huh?
Oh, was that
That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
Pretty loud. I've never ran towards a car on the 5/8 before.
Oh yeah. Is that wild or what? Pretty crazy. Yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, it's pretty good experience here today. Pretty fun.
Yeah, it was wild.
Pretty fun experience today. So all of today was just for sponsorship video.
Yeah.
Yep, that's all we were
New
doing.
brakes.
Yep, new brakes. So how do you feel? Feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, it's like it's better than the OEM ones.
Yeah,
I don't know if it's because it's smaller, but like handbrake is softer.
good,
The left foot brake works better.
good, good.
So
That's awesome. Yeah, gotta check them out. Aerospace components, pretty sweet. So we're gonna get all loaded up and load up the hauler, and the car's actually coming to our shop because we are gonna do a couple things for Joao before next round. Sounds good? Sound good?
yeah, sounds great.
We're gonna get it all nice and make it all pretty for you.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you, man.
Well, thanks for having us out today. We appreciate it.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
was pretty fun.
Thank you. All right, we're heading out. Joel's bringing the car over. We're gonna do some work for him this week. He's got some stuff that needs fixed, and he never had time, so we're gonna take care of it. That'll be a separate video, so you guys will be able to see that next. It's just wild to me that this guy's driving. I mean, I love you, Joel, but he's driving his FD car on the street over to my house. So crazy, so crazy. Let's see that sweaty, good-looking guy.
Grinding away, dude.
All right, so here's the deal. We kind of left him on a cliffhanger, and we're at the end of this video where we should probably tell him what's going on with your car.
Means you see what I'm doing?
Well, considering the fact that you're deep cleaning your wheel wells, might have something to do with it. Are you gonna buff the whole thing? You got enough time, or?
Not now that I have a Corvette here.
Yeah, more to come on that. They kind of know that we're going to be doing some stuff there, but that's the next video. So we left them on a cliffhanger saying, there was something going on with this car correlated with FD. And you're cleaning wheel wells, so that can only mean one thing, right?
Yep.
Somebody rented your car for FD.
Yep, exactly. Chelsea DeNofa.
Yeah. RTR Mustang went down last week, and they don't have six other ones.
They don't have the capabilities to put together another practice car.
Yeah,
or anything,
and
so
Chelsea's a big stick axle guy. Screw the IRS. He even says it himself. So
yeah, and they already cleared it for FD, so
Yeah.
it's gonna be out there running the 5.8s.
Sweet. Tell them what's going on.
I am going to have this car at the throttle booth at FD over at the track. So
Really cool opportunity.
yeah,
You just kind of put your name in, and they selected you out of a few other people, and
yeah, and they only a week ahead, so
yeah.
I'm just gonna clean it up as is. We're not gonna have enough time to fix like body damage and
Yeah.
stuff like that. But it is what it is. It's a competition car, so they know that. I've told them everything, and
Yep.
yeah, it's gonna be pretty sick. It's gonna be over there from Thursday to Saturday, so
Pretty rad. Hopefully, it helps us promote the YouTube channel a little bit too. We're trying to figure out ways that we can do it. Don't know if we'll get enough stuff done in time, but you never know.
yeah.
Try to figure something out.
And then we're gonna go drive on Sunday, so
So if you're there, find Carlton's car in the throttle booth, take a picture with it, post it, tag us. Maybe if you do that, we'll send you something.
maybe.
Yeah. All right. That's the first FD week preview. So if you see Carlton's car in the throttle booth, like I said, take a picture of it, tag us, Instagram, Facebook, whatever you want. And we actually do have some stuff we're working on in the background, and we will send you something.
Yeah.
We'll reach out and get your address, and we'll send you something. So how about that?
Yep.
Cool. On to the Corvette. That's a middle finger.